welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the watch.
Good morning, Steven. Good morning, baby boy. Guess what? Guess what? It's Mama's birthday. Give me your... Kaden, you got snacks? We thought we'd be like on. You got cool snacks? Casey, do a trick. Wow! Oh, off-roading. You're so fast. Oh my goodness. Usually this time we would be racing right down there. And instead, there's a massive yacht sitting in the middle of it. The grandstands finally aren't flooded and we can't race. It's pretty nice out. We're gonna go rent some bikes. I'm gonna rent one of these. Yeah. My sisters are renting some 4-seaters. Oh my god, my shoe. Oops, my dad has an electric bike. Garrett and I would probably kill each other if we got any sort of connected bike. You guys are going so fast. A bunch of little cute cottages and everything. But we can't fit the tandem bikes down here. Or not the tandem, the 2 and the 4, yeah. The 4x4. But the view's so nice. And it's just so like fairy-like. We've created a traffic jam. See the city. Cool seat. How was your tour of the island going?
Beautiful.
So far? Nice whip. God, look at all the. Oh my god. If anybody has bad allergies, I have reaction if anybody needs any. Oh my god. It's Christmas. Merry Chrysler. Hold on, Casey. What are you looking for? I think it's right there.
think he wants to go up there.
He wants to go up there?
Yeah.
It's on.
Caterpillar?
Oh, you're filming the caterpillar? You're saying, welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the watch.
Does it get to a certain point where it does nothing?
Yeah, no, like I'm just moving faster, and that ball bike's just like, yeah, no, we maxed out, sir.
It's so much more cool. Well, please keep out. That.
Oh, I should have filled the floor before I smashed it. Who am I? Why am I smashing water bottle?
Did you have fun?
Lots of fun.